Welcome to my channel. This is the part 6 of the one word substitutes. In this part, we can discuss about the words which are related to fear or phobia. Every year in staff selection commission jobs, we can see one or two questions from this part also. Okay. Acrophobia. Acrophobia means an extreme or irritational fear of heights. Aerophobia. Aerophobia means an irritational fear of fresh air or drops of air. Aero means air, right? So phobia means fear. Autophobia. Autophobia means a fear of being egotistical, being alone or isolated. Auto means self, right? So self phobia. Algophobia. Algo means pain. So this means a phobia of pain. Altophobia. Alto means heights. So altophobia means an abnormal fear of heights. Anorexia, an emotional disorder characterized by an obsessive desire to lose weight by refusing to eat. Next, agoraphobia. It is a fear of open or public places. Bathophobia. Bathophobia means an abnormal and persistent fear of depths. Next, babylophobia. Fear of books. Cacophobia. Cacography means ugly writing, right? Ugly in spelling, right? So cacophobia means fear of ugliness and things that are ugly. Centrophobia, a dislike of being in the center. Cellophobia, an extreme fear about beauty. Next, chronophobia. Chronophobia means fear of time. Next, cynophobia, that means fear of dogs. Claustrophobia. Cluster means confined places, right? So claustrophobia means an extreme or irritational fear of confined places. Next, demonomania. Mania or phobia both are same words. Demonomania means a delusion of being possessed by evil spirits. Dipsophobia, an abnormal and persistent fear of drinking alcohol. Okay, next, ergophobia, an abnormal and persistent fear of work or finding employment. Next, gamophobia, fear of getting married, being in relationship or commitment. Xenophobia, physical or psychological fear of sexual relationship and sexual intercourse. Gerophobia, fear of old age. Gnosiophobia, fear of knowledge. Gynophobia, fear of women. Graphophobia, fear of writing or handwriting. Hodophobia, an irrational and intense fear of travel. Hedanophobia, an excessive fear or aversion of obtaining pleasure. Next, hematophobia, fear of diseases. Logophobia, an obsessive fear of words. Menemophobia, that means an extreme fear of wind or drafts. Next, nyctophobia, an extreme or irritational fear of the night or darkness. Pharma, pharmacophobia. Pharma means meditation, right? So fear of medication. Thanatophobia, it means fear of death. triskaidekaphobia, extreme superstition regarding the number 13. So there are many films on this phobia. So those who are fear of 13, that means triskaidekaphobia. Triskai 3, deca 10, 13 phobia. Thank you.